Hello cute kids, welcome to Little World. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Sea animal's name: starfish. This is starfish, means tara machli. Squid. This is squid, means samudri झींगा. Shark. This is shark, means shark मछली. Whale. This is whale, means whale. Dolphin. This is dolphin, means dolphin. Lobster. This is lobster, means झींगा मछली. Crab. This is crab, means केकड़ा. Seahorse. This is seahorse, means समुद्री घोड़ा. Octopus. This is octopus, means octopus. Jellyfish. This is jellyfish, means jelly मछली. Sea urchin. This is sea urchin, means समुद्री कांटा. Anglerfish. This is anglerfish, means लाइट वाली मछली. Swordfish. This is swordfish, means तलवार मछली. Sea cucumber. This is sea cucumber, means समुद्री खीरा. Coral. This is coral, means प्रवाल. Manta ray. This is manta ray, means समुद्री पतंग. Clownfish. This is clownfish, means जोकर मछली. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.